Really?
Yep. Lydia Gerard, one guy, one screwdriver.
You are demons. I think the only thing you'll taste today is your own blood.
That was just disturbing.
This is fucking hilarious.
Oh. This one actually got me to stop talking for a minute. Please suck your penis while the blood's flying out of it. Do it. Just do it. It ain't the worst thing that you could do. Maybe it is. How do you get it in there?
That's a very good question.
How did he get it in there? Oh. That's probably how he got it in there.
That's it.
Please don't have sex.
Closing note.
Please don't have sex with him, women in America.
I bet he can't even get it up now.
I bet he can't even motherfucking feel it.